Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade for one person. First, gather your ingredients: 1 fresh lemon, about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of cold water. You'll also need a glass, a spoon for stirring, and a lemon squeezer. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started with preparing our lemon. Now, let's get that fresh lemon juice. Carefully cut your lemon in half. Using a lemon squeezer, extract all the juice from both halves into your glass. You should aim for approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of juice. This fresh juice is the heart of our delicious lemonade, providing that essential tangy flavor. Make sure to remove any seeds. Next, it's time to sweeten our drink. Add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar directly into the lemon juice in your glass. Stir this mixture vigorously with your spoon until the sugar completely dissolves. This step is crucial for a smooth taste. Once dissolved, pour in 1 cup of cold water and stir everything together one last time. Adjust sweetness if desired. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade lemonade. Give it a quick taste and adjust the sweetness or tartness by adding a little more sugar or a splash more water if you like. For a perfectly refreshing drink, add a few ice cubes. You can also garnish your glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Cheers to your delicious, custom-made lemonade.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.